Hello, I'm Jacqueline, Knowledge Anywhere's marketing lead, and today we're going to go over how to assign learning paths to different groups within your organization. So we're going to start off on the admin LMS side. You can get here by logging into your portal or by going through the learner view and then choosing to switch to the administrator view. The first thing we're going to do is go to the left-hand bar and click Learners. From there, we'll go to the top bar and select Groups. Now that we're here, let's go over why this feature is necessary. So one of the main benefits of this feature is personalized learning. For example, sales teams might require product knowledge training while IT teams need cybersecurity training. Being able to assign specific learning paths tailored to each group ensures employees receive relevant content that directly aligns with their roles and responsibilities. The second reason is compliance. Some industries have strict compliance requirements, and different departments or groups within an organization may have distinct compliance needs. Our LMS has the capability to assign learning paths to ensure each group receives appropriate compliance training, reducing the risk of legal or regulatory issues. Another reason to use this feature is because of progress tracking. Assigning learning paths makes it easier to track the progress of different groups, so you can see which groups have completed training, which are in progress, and those who might need additional support. This data can be valuable for performance evaluations and identifying areas that require additional training resources. This feature is also highly efficient, cost-effective, and motivating for employees. When employees feel that their training is relevant to their roles, they're more likely to be engaged and motivated to be on their team. Customized learning paths boost employee morale and job satisfaction by demonstrating that professional development is a priority of the organization. So now that we know why this is helpful, let's get started on how to use it. Now that we're in groups, we can add a group or we can find a current group. Let's say I'm looking for a New York team. Now these groups can be separated in many different ways. It could be departments, locations, job functions, whatever you would like. So now that we're in the group details, we're going to go to the Learning Paths tab, where you'll see all assigned learning paths to this group. To add a new one, you'll simply click here and scroll down to find learning paths. So let's say that the New York group needs compliance training because there's a New York specific problem. You can make this required or elective, and you can also sort it by hire date. So let's say I only want people who were hired since June to October. You can change the order of these or delete it at any time based on what's good for you. Make sure you hit the Save button in the lower corner, and you'll see from this top bar that your search has been successful. This has been a brief tutorial about how to assign a learning path to a group. If you have any more questions, please don't hesitate to reach out to our support at knowledgeanywhere.com. Thank you.